Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to consider about part number 1. So along the y equals to number 0. So for this one in here, I will put about y equal to number 0 in here. So I will put number 0 cone here and number 0 cone here. So if we simplify, we just have only s to the power of 25. And this one divided by this one, we have number 1. And that is about positive number 1. Now let's go to the part number 2. Along the s equal to number 0. So I will put number 0 cone here. So this one we have number 0. This one we have number 0. So this one divided by this one, we have negative number 1. And this one equals to negative number 1. We see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So because they are different, so we can say that the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.